get tuned up. So we're going to go through the core exercises that you are going to be doing most frequently. Right? So we're going to start with the push and pull. Here, hands propping behind, feet together, knees together, push, pull, not like this. Here, upright, push, pull, slight movement on top, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Boom. Next movement, high knees. Come up, high knees. Here, jogging like normal. High knees and up, 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 high knees, right? Get the abdominal area working. Next movement, mountain climbers. You're going to go into a plank, high plank. Here, walk with slowly. Here, low trajectory, toes to the ground. Come in high up as possible. Back, keep it low. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you more advanced, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 20 reps. We're gonna double it. We're gonna count 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, straight to 100 reps. Plank. Tucks. With the plank, head facing forward, tuck under, tuck under, tuck under, tuck under. I like to carry my head with it sometimes. Get a bigger tuck, get a bigger tuck. Advance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat total of 100 reps. Next one, bicycles. 4 bicycles. Set it up. Pinches off the ground. One knee back. Hand behind the head. Tuck the chin in. Keep the lower back flat. Change. Keep it low. Not up here. Not short. Right out. Change. Go there, push it down. Before you work the lower tummy, and as you progress coming back, comes up on your stomach, right? All 6. If you want to get the lower tummy flat, you gotta keep it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Straight to the end. Right? So 1 is if you count one leg, or 1, 2. So I either have 101 or 200 in total. Alright. Next one, plank. We're going to go into the plank position. One tail, 4 arms. Arms facing forward, feet together behind. Head neutral, not down here, not up here. Waist neutral, not down here, not up here. Neutral position and hold. 50 seconds in this position at your plank. Keep your core tight and breathe normal.